Here is the gateway install guide. In the box you will find a gateway, an antenna, and a SIM card if it's not been pre-installed for you. You'll also find a power adapter with multiple plugs. You should select the one correct for your country and fit it into the power adapter. You can then recycle the other plugs. The antenna should be screwed onto the right-hand side of the gateway gently until it is fully secure, and insert it upright for better radio. You will now insert the SIM card if you don't have it pre-installed. It goes into the SIM slot at the bottom of the gateway. Just gently enter it with a chip facing upwards, push it in, and it should just slot in. And then finally, plug the power adapter to the bottom left of the gateway on the right port. And the gateway is ready for install. We're now going to use the Deploy M mobile app to set up the gateway location. Open the app, log in, and choose the gateway group. Choose one of the red gateways. Scan using the QR code scanner icon at the bottom, and now choose a building, a floor, a room, etc. If the description that you want is not available, you can use the Create New tag to enter the correct details. Once you've done this, don't forget to save. The final step is to install and plug the gateway. Find a suitable location with a power socket which no one will interfere with. Plug the power adapter into power. It should take about 2 minutes to get online. And then secure the gateway using either screws or, as we're doing here, strong double-sided tape such as 3M VHB, for example. The gateway install is now complete.